I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Netspend employee account. So if you want to log in into Netspend, you can just basically search for netspend.com and it's going to take you to the official website of Netspend. But this is for those people who are the ordinary user of Netspend. This means like if you are a customer, you need to go to netspend.com. But since we are not the customer, we want to log in into employee account, we have to approach this thing a bit differently. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that in today's video. Netspend.com is a website of Netspend which provides you gift cards. So it's basically like a prepaid gift card, alright? So if you don't know about that, basically in gift card you load some amount of money and you give it to somebody, and once that amount of money is used from that card is useless, you have to throw it away. That's what a gift card is. It's similar to a debit and credit card, but in debit and credit card you can reload money, but in gift card you can't, alright? So basically that's netspend.com, but we are employee of Netspend. We don't want to go to that page. We need to go to NETCHEX, Netchecks. You want to search for Netchecks and click on netchecks.com. So basically if you're an employee of Netspend, you need to come to Netchecks. So Netchecks is a human resource management company, and basically this also is associated with Netspend because Netspend has cooperated with Netchecks in order to manage their employees. So we are their employee, and in order to log in into it, come to netchecks.com, go on login. It's gonna take you to this login page. Now once you're over here, you need to enter the username of your account and click on sign in. And basically on the next step, it's gonna ask you for the password of your account. Over here, enter the password of your account over here. Click and continue, and if the username and password you entered is correct, you should be able to log in into your Netchecks account. And if you forgot the password of your account, then you can always click on forgot password in order to recover it. If you're a new user, you can also complete your account setup by clicking on it over here, alright?